Hey guys, today I am vlogging my job. I work here at a lavender farm, as you can see, and it's a slow day, so it's a good day for a little vlog. So today we have Maddie here. We merged checkout with check-in. So I'm check out and Maddie is check in, which is super fun. We have the baskets here. And here is the farm. I get to work here every day. So nice. Hello. Are you ready to be in my vlog? Say hi.
Hi vlog.
This
I'm
is
Ryan.
this is the world famous superstar. Like and subscribe.
Welcome to my world.
So show us to your world here.
This is the gift shop for the Lavender Farm. In the gift shop, we have things from lavender.
Yes,
We took the lavender and we smushed it all up.
we did.
And then we made oils and hand soap and tallow body butter and hydrosol.
So many products.
And cuticle pens.
That's pretty nice.
It's a noise, sorry.
Ooh.
So yeah, with all the many things you can do with lavender plants, we built this shed.
We have. I made some of these bundles probably, or unless all mine sold,
Amanda
maybe.
made all of them.
I made every single, no.
We didn't do any work here. Actually, Amanda does all the work. We just
Yeah.
make her do it.
Say hi.
Clarktopia.
This is Clark. What do you do here?
I usually run checkout, but right now I'm running the gift shop for now.
How do you like it so far?
The gift shop is very chill as well compared to the checkout as well, but for sure the gift shop you do a lot of math here with all
Ooh.
counting, with
Good for your brain. Yeah.
keeping up summer with math, you know?
Yeah. Oh.
I was gonna say, you may not be able to tell, but Clark is a bad kid. He's always up to no good. He's literally always ahead of time.
I waited past time
Yeah.
to get here like almost hours early before opening.
Questioning my moral code and screaming at a windshield. Knowing better all along, knowing all I know is wrong, throwing up my alcohol.
So many. Exciting. Gonna make a bouquet. I think my camera's not very good. Oops. Oh, so cute. What's your bunny's name?
Cheerio.
Cheerio. Oh. Hi,
They
Cheerio.
ignore each other.
Oh my gosh, so adorable. Thank you. I used to have a bunny.
Because like it's her rabbit.
Yeah, she's
so
the sweetest.
keep her,
She's
but
so
if I had a
cute.
rabbit-
Because it's pointless. It lasts no amount.
Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog.
I was about to say, look at this cake that says 100% juice, no seeds, happy vasectomy, but then you started
What? No. Oh. Here's the bouquet.
You're gonna have to cut that out of Sorry about that.
No, it's funny.
These are better pictures.
Well, that's how people from New York, that's like how they call things beautiful. They're
Is
like,
it?
I heard you have something beautiful.
What else?
Oh, I like those too. I forget what those are called. I forget what these are.
The pink ones?
Yeah,
Yeah, I got some of those.
those are very cool, but I can't think of what they're called. Days I thought it's gonna be. I mean, I was just like busy setting up my tent. I turn around.
Daniel, you have to get a thing. So we're all dancing differently. So I'm like, and then, and then Amanda's like, and then you are like, and so we're all in the same room dancing at the same time. The Yes.
Same disco, but we're dancing to different beats. To different songs. But you're dancing to a song. You look across the room and you see someone over there, and they're dancing the same song as you, and you're like, oh.